free cash referral code. So basically you need to go to freecash.com and log in, create your account. There is no iOS app, there is only Android app. And then you tap on this second tab from the right, and then you have your bonus code, which you can add bonus code from here, or you can just refer people and then just use the referral link. So here's my referral link. So yeah, you can see the stats, and here's my referral link. So that's what it is. Feel free to use it, and then yeah, you will get some nice affiliate commissions here. So yes, you can see some affiliate earnings. So yeah, that's basically the idea of what you can get here. And yeah, then you can just use it out, and that's the idea.